Hey guys, we got Bowsey5 doing another box of Classic Signatures 12-13. Had a good box last time. Let's see if we can top it. Tap it. Alright. It's like a hot box. It's like a nice short print autograph. Alright, we got a Jeremy Roenick banner numbers. Alright. We got, for the Penguins, let's hope it's Ronnie franchise, Joel Mullen. Not a bad autograph. Joel Mullen autograph. We have a Dale Howardchuk. Banner numbers. And we got, for the Kings, Charlie Simmer. Charlie Simmer. We got a Mike Richter banner numbers. Oh, is that? Yeah, we got a notable nicknames. Ronnie franchise. Ronnie franchise, notable nicknames with no nickname on there. Thanks, Ronnie. So pretty much just an autograph. Number 50 of Ronnie franchise. We got a banner numbers of Guy Lafleur. We got the Mighty Ducks. Mighty Ducks. I'm gonna guess it's Stu Grimson. Yes, it is. I'm guessing. Stewie Grimson. 2 packs left. Win, you got a Blues. Spread all banner numbers. Breaks over. You got a Blues. Oh, we got for the Whalers, Ulf Samuelsson. Ulf Samuelsson. We got a Dave Taylor banner numbers. And an upside down Stefan Matteau autograph. Thanks, Bowsey. Sorry for the 2 videos. Kind of got confused with it, but that's all the breaks for today. And we'll get more breaks out to you guys tomorrow. Thanks a lot. Have a good day, everyone.